We're here in Collegetown Plaza to see a studio apartment on the 8th floor. We're in apartment 8L. Let's go on in. You can see the kitchen on the right-hand side. If you've been watching the videos, you'll know that on the 8th and 9th floors, the dishwasher is included in the studio apartment. So that's exclusive to floors 8 and 9 here in the plaza. The refrigerator, sink, microwave, and the stove will be the same in all the apartments. The layout of the kitchen is the same. Floors 8 and 9 get the dishwasher. Let's take a look in the bathroom. The bathroom is the same in all the apartments here in the building. So you get your tub and shower with a sliding door, the vanity, and the toilet, and there's a medicine cabinet over on the right as well. Let's go on into the room. We'll peek in the closet over here. So there's a closet for you, good hanging space. Let's see the furnishings. We have the dresser. There's the full-size bed. We'll go around and see, there's where we came in through the kitchen. There's the dining table and chair. There's the desk and chair, and the bookshelf. Now up here on floor 8 and 9 will be the best views. We'll take a look. You can see out there, there's the beautiful lake view. We'll get zoomed in on that for you. Up on the upper floors, 7, 8, and 9, you do get that air conditioner that's under the window, the built-in units underneath. So that's a perk in the top, the upper floors, and the best views will always be on the highest floor. So we have these beautiful valley views to the west. It's beautiful. Let's take a look. There's Cayuga Lake over to our north. Let me get it zoomed in for you. And there we go. That is Cayuga Lake up there to the north. So it's a beautiful lake view up here in this 8th floor apartment. Again, we're in apartment 8L. So that's a look at a studio apartment. Again, all the studios are the same shape and size. The differences will be your views out the windows. Floors 7, 8, and 9 have that built-in air conditioner, and floors 8 and 9 will have that dishwasher in the apartment. Collegetown Plaza, 111 Dryden Road in the heart of Collegetown, just 1 block from campus.